Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to remove Samsung account in your phone Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G. First of all, go to settings of your phone here, then go to accounts and backup and go to manage accounts and click on the Samsung account here and click on remove account and click on remove account be removed from your device. Click on sign out and it will ask you to verify it's you. It will send email will be sent to you. Okay, go to the email and you have received email. Yes, I have received email here and click on continue with and yes, ID verified successfully. Please return to the previous screen and go here and yes, it is removed. Okay, yes, Samsung account is now removed from your device. In this way, you can easily remove Samsung account from your device, Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.